Alright everyone, so I saved the best review for last from Redken Nature and Science line, Redken Extreme. So Redken Nature and Science decided to make a veganized version of Redken Extreme. For those of you that have been using Redken for years, you will know that Redken Extreme is one of the main products that Redken was marketing itself on. So Redken Extreme goes way back, and this product was used to correct hair that has been overprocessed, heat damage, environmental damage, hair that that had moisture but needed the protein, or hair that was over-permed. A lot of you guys that were commenting on my video for my perm fail video know that I will recommend the Redken Extreme product, and now for those of you that are vegan, I can recommend this one. So this one is formulated with a little bit of a different formula. It contains the plant extract that will reconstruct the protein in the hair, so it is all using plant proteins to correct the hair's structure, and it smells amazing. This one is weird. I kind of have like a bergamot smell to this. It has a bergamot smell that I pick up on. And the conditioner, I kind of smell like a mixture of spruce and bergamot. Again, like the Redken Color Extend Magnetics and the All Smooth, the bottles are see-through. The shampoo is very, very liquidy. It almost is the same consistency as the regular Redken Extreme treatment that you'll put in your hair and leave it in. So it's a little bit of an odd consistency. It lathers up really nicely. There is no funky smells like this, like there is with the Color Extend Magnetics. After trying all the lines, I can honestly say that the Color Extend Magnetics smells absolutely foul when it is wet, but the smell dissipates. This one does not. The conditioner on this one is very thick, and that was one problem I ran into with this, is that getting it to stay in my hair, I had to really massage it in there. And I left this in my hair for 2 minutes so it can really absorb in. I felt that after letting this sit on my hair for a bit, I felt that it absorbed in well. That being said, I think this is a great product for those of you that have damaged hair, whether you're heat styling it, bleaching, coloring, perming, or relaxing. This is a good way to re-strengthen the hair and put the protein back in. That being said, I do not think this is a good product to use every single wash, because if you do that, you can end up doing some damage because protein hardens the hair. And if you're over hardening the hair and you're driving out moisture, then you can actually risk over hardening your hair, and then that will cause breakage. So I would say that if you do get this product, at the very least, get Redken Color Extend or Redken All Smooth. Either one of those in this product line of Nature and Science will help to kind of balance it out. So I always say use this one or two washes, or every 2 washes with your regular shampoo, use this to strengthen your hair up. I use this twice, and I noticed that my hair feels a lot firmer. My curls and waves are more defined. Where I had the keratin treatment on the ends, it feels a lot better, a lot healthier, although I am due for a slight trim. So I actually enjoy this one. Personally, I do kind of prefer the regular Redken Extreme. I find that that one is a little bit more conditioning. I don't know why this one was a little bit more harsher, for lack of a better word. It might just be that I'm used to Redken Extreme because that was a product I used back when I was blonde. So I used to be a blonde about, almost 10 years ago. And you know, when you have blonde hair, it is a high maintenance thing. I was high lifting, and I was doing highlights over the high lifting, and Redken Extreme actually helped my hair. It essentially brought it back from the brink of death. Well, even though hair is dead, but you know what I mean. So I do think this is a good product. I probably would give it high marks because it is pretty potent, it's pretty powerful, and that's also because our bodies tend to accept plants better, especially like essential oils, things like that. So this is, in my opinion, a little bit stronger than the regular Redken Extreme, even though I prefer the Redken Extreme. If you are vegan, you will definitely love this product, so I will give this a 5 out of 5 for that reason. So other than that, there is really not much to go on about this product about. It is on sale. It is 20% off now on the L'Oreal's, SalonCentric's webpage, as well as in the store. So if you have your hair license, go out and purchase this. It is a great product. I do want to know from my viewers, because I know a lot of you were commenting on my perm fail video. Have you guys tried this? Because I did recommend this. If you've tried Redken Extreme, whether it was the regular one or the brand new Nature and Science, Let me know down below and tell me what you thought of it. I honestly think that Redken Extreme is a great product, and I would have liked to have seen that the Redken Nature and Science line would have expanded out and would have made like styling products, and I would have liked to see them making like a hair mask. So if they were to do like a vegan hair mask, something like that to really lure in potential consumers. So Redken Nature and Science, Redken Extreme, great product if you are vegan and you want to correct your damaged hair. So like, comment, hit that subscribe button right down below there so I can continue making these awesome videos, and I'll be on to review some more Redken products in the near future.